And here at home, the number of new COVID-19 cases reported for Nueces County today is 76, bringing the total number of cases ever confirmed for the county to 41,610. Sadly, we did learn of 2 COVID-related deaths today, both women said to be in their 40s. And as of tonight, 48 people are in the hospital battling the virus. 17 of those patients remain in intensive care. And after receiving the okay to use them again, the Public Health District has been busy administering the Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccines for those who are homeless in our community. It was only a couple of weeks ago all Johnson & Johnson vaccines hit pause in distributions across the nation. This slowed the vaccine process everywhere. But since that clearance was given, the Health District got to work. This mission is part of the Help Our Homeless program, which targets everyone in the area experiencing homelessness.
Our partnerships with the different organizations, we're reaching out and they're reaching out to us to get everybody vaccinated in Corpus.
Dr. Anya Frack says people did have the option to decline a vaccine, but the majority agreed to it.